Alright, here we go. This is the final product of the Bluetooth coffee maker. So we've got coffee maker, we've got our relay down in here. It's actually a relay made for, not made for Arduinos, but it just works perfect. It's already got the transistors and everything built in, relay built in. You just plug in power, ground, and the signal from your Arduino. Down in here is the actual Arduino itself. Well, I should say it is a fully functional Arduino. It's the Nano. Opted for the smaller size. I didn't go with the ATtinies. I didn't go with the little power adapter. It just this cost maybe $2 or $3. ATtinies cost like 50 cents. But you know what? The ATtinies don't support serial right out of the box. There's kind of a way you can emulate it or do it in software. I bought a Arduino Nano, and you know what? The thing cost me like $8 or $9, and you program it and power it over USB. It's got the same pin count as the Arduino Uno, and you know what? It's just a heck of a lot easier to put together. So, I've got some ATtinies, but maybe one day a future project will use those. And it's, didn't spend more than a few dollars on them, so I really don't care. But we got the relay, we got the Arduino Nano, and we have a Bluetooth module on there. Now this is an extra one I have. These things are like $5 or $6. Pretty much super simple. Power, ground, and then your transmit and receive. So I got everything mounted in here the best I could, and believe it or not, double-sided tape will not stick to this coffee maker. I have no idea why. Ended up having to get some Gorilla Tape. This stuff's 100 times stronger than duct tape. Got everything mounted in there, and bought a little power to USB cable for like $1 or $2 on eBay. So probably $2 for the power cable. Let's see, how much was the Nano? Was like maybe $9. The relay was just a few dollars. The Bluetooth modules, I believe, are like $5. So, you're probably looking at 20 bucks for this project. Could you do it for cheaper? Absolutely. Could you do it smaller? Absolutely. This works for me. I think this actually costs more than my coffee maker. I don't think this thing cost me more than 10 bucks, but I don't know, $30 for a Bluetooth coffee maker? That's pretty cool. Well, anyways, got everything mounted in here. And what we can do here, I'm going to put the camera down and put the bottom on this thing real quick. Alright, so let me show you. I've got it plugged in already. And luckily, this coffee maker didn't have a long power cable, but my coffee maker is right next to the outlet. So, now it's a dirty coffee maker because it's my everyday one, but you'll notice right off the bat, you got nothing. But here's how you want to do it. Alright, coffee maker is off and plugged in. Arduino is unplugged. So, there's two ways you can kind of use this. If you leave your Arduino unplugged, functions exactly like any other on-off coffee maker. If you plug the Arduino in, you notice it didn't turn on. So what we'll do is, if you want to leave it in a always ready mode for your Bluetooth coffee maker, just go ahead and always leave it on. And let me see if I can get this to show up better. This is the final version of the Bluetooth Coffee Maker app I made, and kind of made it a little bit nicer, added a few more buttons and functions. So basically, right when you start up the app, you're just going to select your Arduino, your Bluetooth device in there. You're going to have to prepare this before you start the application. The password on all these, the pairing code out of the box is 1234. You can change that. You can also change the name here. Now I did. Let's see. And you see I named it Coffee Maker on my phone, but when you go to, oops, not that one. The app, that name doesn't transfer over. So I read online there's a way you can reprogram the name on the device itself. So probably something I want to do, but not really a big deal. So anyways, we're going to connect to that one. So we'll say Bluetooth status connected. Now, if you want, you can, you know, click the coffee maker off. All right. So pretty much when you start up and you connect it, it doesn't know the current state of the coffee maker, so all the buttons are lit up. You can turn it on or off, or on, off, or off and disconnect. So pretty much we're going to connect, and we're just going to say coffee maker on, and you'll notice that it lights up. Now what the app will do is it tells me that tells me the on time, so what time I turned my coffee maker on. Now this coffee maker takes maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes to brew a full pot of coffee. So I've put on here, coffee will be ready at, and then 10 minutes from the start time. So it's 10:20 now, so when I come back at 10:30, I should have a full pot of coffee. So I put that nice little feature in there. When you're done, you can click coffee maker off, and that turns it off. Or if you want, you can do coffee maker off and disconnect Bluetooth. You know, if you're done, you're about to leave, no point in leaving it connected. Just say coffee maker off and disconnect Bluetooth. That will turn the coffee maker off and disconnect the app from the Bluetooth device. And that's pretty much it. One other thing, let me show you. If you turn the coffee maker on, you can still manually turn the coffee maker off. Now the Arduino and Bluetooth modules will still be active and connected, so just take note of that. But you still have manual control over this. You know, we are talking about 120 volts and there's water in here, so this is just a manual turn it off. And you know, same thing with unplugging the Arduino itself. It will still function as a coffee maker. So this thing gets hot. I've already burned myself plenty of times putting this thing together, but you know, that's it. I'm pretty happy with the way it is. There's probably some things I could have done different, but this being my first major Arduino project, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. You know, I probably really wouldn't do anything different, but here is the code for what you program on the Arduino, and I can post this up. It's pretty much a copy paste from someone else's Bluetooth project. I just changed a few other things on it, but other than that, that is all for the Bluetooth coffee maker. I'm excited to try this out tomorrow. We'll see how it does. The range on this Bluetooth device is supposed to be 10 meters. Now I don't know if that's line of sight 10 meters or, you know, drywall, wood, stuff like that. So I'm sure it will function outside my kitchen and in my den, so it's not a big deal. Be nice if I could turn it on from my office or my bedroom. We'll see. I'll give that a shot and we'll see. But I'm happy with the way it is. It's pretty cool. And one more quick update on, let's see here. This is, yes, this is the remote infrared module, remote infrared thermometer, I'm sorry. I'm excited about this one. This one's gonna go on on my track bike. Probably test it out on my street bike too. So kind of polished the app for that. I might do another video on that. I don't want to combine two, but just a quick update on that. I'm making progress on that. Ordered some more of those. Let me get this out of the way. Sitting here. We got too much stuff now. No, it's definitely not that. What did I do with that? Oh, here they are. They're on the bottom of the styrofoam. Here they are. Ordered 2 more of these, so I have 3 total. These things are not cheap. I'm paying $15 a piece, and these are the only ones I can find. I don't know, I need to do a little bit more research on it, but they do work really good. So, you know, I'm really not complaining. If you were to look at how much this would cost if someone else made it, you know, it's going to be 5 times the price of what I can build it for. So it's okay. I really enjoy this stuff. It's not a problem if it's $15 for one little part. You know, I'm not buying 100 of them. It's just a few, but it works great. Anyways, I'm gonna end it there. I will post another video soon of the motorcycle infrared thermometer. So until next time, bye.